Welcome to the first episode of JF Motorcycle News. I don't have any specific name or graphics so far, I just would like to try this new concept. Today I would like to look at the news and at the segment of adventure motorcycles. Let's go. First of all, I was very surprised by the new KTM Duke 390 Adventure announcement. It was confirmed for manufacturing for next year in India. I'm not completely sure whether it will be available on the European and US market next year, but it will be definitely a very interesting motorcycle which shares the same platform with the Duke 390. Very fun to ride, very lightweight motorcycle in the naked category, and suddenly we have 390 Adventure coming, which is very interesting because we have only a few motorcycles in this segment, the Kawasaki Versys 300 and Himalayan Royal Enfield, all possibly BMW G 310 GS. And I think the KTM could be possibly the most capable off-road and also most fun to ride with most strong engine. So I just can't wait to hear more. Hopefully we will see more in the EICMA in Milano this November in Italy. So now let's move to the middleweight segment of adventure motorcycles with Africa Twin, Triumph Tiger or BMW F850 GS. All of these bikes, by the way, I tested and you can find the in-depth reviews on my channel. And they are called middleweight, but in this year they all weigh about 230 kilograms ready to go, which is a lot. And a lot of people are okay with it, but some people doesn't. And for example, guys in Yamaha and KTM is trying to, do something different. We will be looking forward to new motorcycles next year, KTM Duke 790 Adventure and Yamaha Tenere 700 or T7, we are not sure about the name. And at least, there are some rumors about the KTM, which should be maybe in 3 different versions. And also, some say that it should have 30 to 35 kilos less than, for example, Africa Twin and 5 horsepower more. And this is definitely something I would like to see and hear and ride. So hope you're excited too. Yamaha Tenere or T7 concept, which has been teased for some time. It's also super interesting. And both of these bikes should weigh less than 200 kilograms, hopefully ready to go. So I can't wait for that. Another interesting enduro, Moto Guzzi V85 has been teased for some time, and this bike probably is here to start a whole new category of bikes called classic enduros. We all like, or love these classic and retro bikes and BMW R90 and all of these. But suddenly we have here the possibility to ride a classic enduro. The design is beautiful from my point of view, but now I have confirmed the data about the motorcycle, about the engine, which we were all probably looking or waiting for. The engine is based on the V9 bobber, but they said that just the bore and stroke is the same, but the engine inside is absolutely new, It's all lighter pistons, camshaft and everything. It gives 80 horsepower and 80 Newton meters, and I think from this kind of 2-valve air-cooled V-twin, I think it's not bad at all. It's almost 100 horsepower per 1 liter, and I think this is not bad at all. They also said that they claim that they really work on the softness of the engine, are easy to use, and it looks pretty interesting. So the most important question for me is the price, whether it will cost like 10,000 euros or 13,000 euro. I think this will be very important for the, positioning the motorcycle on the market. So can't wait to ride it. Hopefully, maybe even this fall. Another interesting thing, which is not the enduro, but I'm really excited about, Honda probably prepares a new 6-cylinder retro motorcycle. Probably the CBX 1000, which was announced in 1978, and it was my dream motorcycle. I have posters everywhere in my room, and it's just a beautiful muscular motorcycle. And suddenly in this very competitive and very different than that time, the market, which we see the BMW R90 and Triumph T120, Bonneville, or even the Honda CB1100, very stylish motorcycle, very nice ones. Honda maybe bring the 6-cylinder back to the game. And I think it will be very refreshing for the market. Other than the thing that Honda registered the design, we don't know anything, but hopefully we will see something on this fall on the exhibitions EICMA or Intermot. I think it will be pretty interesting. I have just 2 questions. What it will happen to CB1100, whether it will go cheaper or the 6-cylinder will be significantly more expensive, or the CB1100 will be cancelled. I don't know. Also, I'm just thinking what we will do with the prices of the original CBX, whether it will go up or down. I'm interested in your opinion, by the way. Oh, very short news. I visited the Moto Morini factory in Italy. Very interesting motorcycle manufacturer, which do small volumes of bikes, but very exclusive. And they told me that the Moto Morini Scrambler, the new model, should be ready to go or ready to buy in a few weeks. It shares the same platform and engine with the Moto Morini Corsaro ZZ, which is an amazing V-twin 1200. But they told me that it will not have these 140 horsepower, but less, about 80 kilowatts or 110 horsepower, and it will be way more easy to use, with more stronger from the low RPM range, of course. This is not the final design, but I think it's beautiful, and I can't wait to see it real. And hopefully, I'll ride it also this fall. So I will bring you the review soon. So this is it. This was the first episode, the experiment. Let me know what you think. Let me know whether I should continue and what should I cover next time. And you really help me if you share my channel with your friends or subscribe it here on YouTube. Thank you very much, and bye.